Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Named format is configured currently with transient, but in Azure I don't see a drop down with transient.
Uh, do you know what is that equivalent?
Actually, I checked about the transient name ID. There is no configuration from the Azure side. I'm trying to find a substitute or how to configure, because what I've read about transit ID is transit name ID is not on showing on the drop down, and we cannot configure in the drop down.
So what it translates to? Check. Sarath?
Yeah, checking it. Email user ID and display name.
Okay. Now the transient. Go back to that settings.
Yeah, it won't transfer any attribute. Only that's it.
Yeah.
If it is unspecified, it will be asking for something value. But if it is transient, it won't ask anything.
Okay. And there is no certificate for this one?
No.
Did we enter manually for this one?
No, their metadata is having only this provider ID and ACS URL. That's it.
Did you get the metadata for this?
It was configured in 2015 or 16, I think so.
Can you check if you have that metadata? Because I don't find that.
I'm sure it is not having that metadata.
How did we configure the Azure one?
Azure one, we don't need metadata, right? We just need these two things. Entity ID and reply URL.
Yeah, I got the metadata. Never mind.
See if their metadata is having certificate.
No certificate. I'll send you that order. Transient. Okay. Anuraj, did you get any chance did you get anything on that external users and
Hello, Naveen.
hello?
Yeah. So I was going through the for external page, and at the same time I was just seeing if we have used this like three authorization before, like Azure AD pass-through authorization and federal authorization. Did we try those three before we try to
What do
make
you mean by federal?
So there are three cloud authentications: Azure AD password, hash synchronization one. Actually, I was preparing an
Correct.
email. I have two approaches towards it, and I'm trying to mention both of them with correct information. This one was the same thing I was talking yesterday about seamless SSO, which is I checked
Seamless. Yeah.
which is already on our Azure, but all we need was the policies. But I didn't know that we have tried this before or not. This was one of them, but I will send you an email before end of the day today regarding all these two approaches.
Yes, seamless is something like it is for the users, like to make it seamless, right? Like
Yeah.
you don't need to enter the password, like you just enter the username,
Yes.
and you need to update the group policy for your systems and all those things,
Yes.
right?
On the AD servers. Yes.
So that will, yeah, but that will help in within the organization, correct? And
Yes.
anybody for the organization tenant.
And these are
See,
external.
we are sorry.
And these are external 2000 people, right?
Yeah, we have external people. Okay, so the main problem is like Azure, like it always go with the either the email address or the UPN,
Yeah.
correct? So the problem is whatever the users, like a lot of users, at like I can say at least more than 2 to 3,000 users. Okay, so they use the network ID as the username and password instead of UPN.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sure that is I don't know if that gets replicated to Azure or not. Okay.
Okay.
So they use that ID to log in. So our challenge is the users doesn't know the UPN. Okay.
Yeah.
And the UPN and the SAM account name are not the same.
Okay.
Okay. And we have some cases where even the email address and the UPN are not same. Yeah. I don't know, Shala, you didn't know this, right?
Yeah. The last one.
Yeah. So we found out that is also having there are some users where they are having like different UPN and email
because
address.
SAM account
Usually,
because SAM account was the one which was my second approach, which was I'm trying to put from where we can do it, but they have SAM account is also
yeah,
not.
that's so what we need is SAM account. If we can put that like where we can enter user ID and password as SAM account, then it would be good.
Okay.
Okay. See, I'll show you. I don't know if I've showed to everybody. Let me show you this. So,
Navin, before this, can you please reset IAS in the Global Insights?
reset IS. Why?
We need to reset IAS once certificate is updated, a new certificate.
Where did you update the certificate?
You imported new metadata. Haven't you imported?
No, not yet. Hold on.
Okay.
That's okay, man. That's not critical. I know what these guys. They say that you cannot do it, but not many people use that.
If you remember, we were using this for the dev OEM certificate renewal for the whole day. It was down, no one complained.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Navin, you can hear.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I think I disconnected VPN. It disconnected. Sorry, you're saying something? You said, do you remember?
Yeah, if you remember the OEM certificate for dev environment, we used this application to testing.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
No one complained, it was down for whole one day.
No, nobody, not many people use that, man. I know that. Yeah. And when something happens, then only they'll jump around up and down. Like they use once in a month or something. Then jump around. Okay. Anyway, for Anuraj and everybody, for your benefit, Anuraj, this is what I was trying to say. Say, for example, I'm coming from external now. Okay, I'm not in Ashi network.
Okay.
Okay, so this is one example where we use the ServiceNow. Okay, so this is arshis.servicenow. So you can see the URL. The URL is also not something like .arshis.com.
Yep.
Okay, so this is provided by external, like ServiceNow, like it's all provided by external.
Yes.
So, but we use our SSO to log in. So when we go like this, so I'm not in Ashi network, so it will see. You can see this page.
Yeah.
So it's asking me to enter my username and password. Okay. So here I can use my network ID as this.
Okay.
Okay, and then log in and enter. So it works. Okay, so I can log in. it comes back, right?
Yep.
Okay. So same way, look at our what I can use. Give me one Azure one.
Service now TST that.
Oh, service not yet. Yeah. So service Ashish TST. So this is the one we migrated to Azure currently. Okay.
Okay.
So this is where we have the challenge. If you look at this login, so you can see it is going to our Microsoft. Okay.
Yeah.
Which is fine. But the problem here is I cannot use with this.
Network ID.
Okay. It will not. Yeah, it will not accept because it cannot find.
Yeah.
And I cannot also use Ashish.com. Okay. Because it will not recognize. This is SAM account name. Okay.
Okay.
So only thing it recognizes is my email address or the UPN. Okay. So I have few users. Whom did I send this? Come on. That was last week, I think. Friday. Yeah. See, all the user, you can see, this is one of the like company example, okay? They use some HR portal, which again goes through ServiceNow. So they all use this one as the account name to log in.
Okay.
Okay. So if I use this as an example, you cannot. Huh?
It asks.
What the heck? Yesterday we tried this, right?
Yeah.
That's bizarre. How come it's taking the
Enter your
it's not
ID.
mine.
No, I was like, enter
Yeah.
your ID.
No. How come
So,
it's taking that ID? That's something. That user is not here. How is that possible, man? Are we unnecessarily like just wasting time searching for something? See, it's not there, that user.
yeah, it was not there. But for some users, I did check with this sample number of users, but it was not working for some of them, and it's working for some. I don't know why.
This is coming. That's really bizarre, man. Let's take, yesterday I took one example, right? Let me close this. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah.
How come some users are working? How come it's taking the...
We cannot see the user also, so we cannot see the configuration of the user.
Correct. Maybe, hold on, let's see which one was working, man. Maybe it was coming from my, since I already logged into service now, was it taking mine? Oh, crap. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, it's coming. Some users are coming, but how come it's taking a SAM account name?
Can you check or differentiate the AD properties for this
Yeah,
user and not working user?
it's here. It is here.
Oh, he is here.
Yeah, the UPN is available for this particular SAM account.
Yeah.
Mostly, I think, maybe, hold on. So these users may not be there. That could be possibility. So it is there.
Naveen, in AD, can you differentiate the users, the working one and non-working one?
Come on. Hmm? Oh, sorry. I am. Oh. Come on. At least one open up. Oh, God. Okay, this is the user which is. Huh? Not working. Yes. Okay. So this is for the not working. So let me get working one. This guy is working, right?
Yeah.
Come on. So they don't have anything, okay? So no email address set. Ashish.com. So these two are different. Even for these guys, these two are different. Okay. So profile, I don't see anything. This one's object. Codes internal. Okay. So only problem is, hold on. Why I'm not seeing the object editor? launching the object editor. COI05. Oh, okay. So what's other user? HFSMD.
Remaining all users, any of the user.
Yeah, but where did this go? Okay. HFC, right? So many users are HFCA is 605. Is this the one? No, HFS. HFS. Okay. So HFS MD504. MD504. Okay. That's good. Let's see if we can get. Okay. So you have nothing set for bad password time. Okay. CNC code page. I can just script it out, man. But let me see. This guy is this name is this. So they have a distinguished name set as this. Okay. Employee number. This guy also has employee number. This is working guy, right? So Gmail. Okay. So they have their ESK Pulse mail. Extension attribute 30100 false. Introvert 13 is hourly, prod 00. I think that should not differentiate. I think if we can figure out what is this and solves, then we don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
What is this I? What is this I? Rashi is stored draft. Okay, I think. I thought this one was maybe this.
That is
I'm called huh?
no.
It is there, no? My nickname is there, so that's fine. It is set to their properties, so that is there. This guy add an external directory, and this person does not have. It does. This guy also have. Oh crap! Why this is working? That is not working. I'll export these, then we can compare what is different. Okay, this attribute is not there. EFG group external group membership hide from 80 address list. Okay, that's address list. That's fine. Not set. Not set. Not set. Not set. Not set. I think I should just have sorted it out. The dial-in is true. Name is M. Cole. HF, okay. Object category CN is equal to person. Top is equal to okay. So this was not there, so we saw that. Postal code. But actually it defines the Azure, how Azure works.
Yeah. Those people straight away said that it doesn't support without @hershey's.com.
Yeah. So this GSN VA not child 120. Okay. Mike's kitchen service. Title. Okay. Normal account. So same thing, parameters, password not set. Okay. So S. Davis, M. Coleman, the PN. Okay. Hasn't changed. Okay, that's fine. No difference, man. I don't see any difference.
I see Coleman manager is defined with user ID. That is the only difference I can see.
That user ID is fine.
Yeah.
There is no difference. Hatashi.com or Shias. Yeah. Hmm. Nothing different. Security. I don't think so. They should have any difference in security. Hmm. How do you answer this? So same user groups. Same user groups. They are in the same OU as well.
That is really weird.
Yeah. So how come this guy is working, that guy is not working, man? So let's see the difference in so this guy is David. So but anyway, Anuraj, you know what we are trying to do, right?
Yeah.
So that is what is required. I really don't know how it is working.